Okay, level 3, number 4. In this question, they're telling you about a catapult which can launch itself straight up 60 meters. So, in other words, if you shoot straight up into the air, you'll rise to a height of 60 meters. And then they want you to figure out the max range of this catapult. So this first part of the question is going to tell us something about how fast the catapult shoots, because if you think about it, this is a position 1 and the top of the catapult's shot is a position 2. And so we can do an energy equation, conservation of energy, and what that will tell us is something, since we know the height, it'll tell us something about the V that the catapult is launched with, the speed that it has. So once we know that, right, we can then do a simple projectile. We just simply take that same speed we got from up above here, and we plug it in here as the speed of the shot fired at 45 degrees, and we just figure out the range, how far that would go using standard projectiles. So you had to do a little bit of this first, a little bit of energy, to figure out the speed with which it can fire. Now there's an interesting exercise you can do with this. You can do all this without any numbers, and you should find that the max range, if you did it without any numbers, the max range is equal to 2 times the max height that it can shoot straight up. So it's an interesting little problem I sometimes give on level 4 tests, where you have to actually prove that this statement is true. So you might want to try that as well, just kind of for fun. And it actually